Even though you don't see it, insulation has real and significant benefits. In fact, insulation has a 3 times greater impact on the average home's energy and comfort than windows or doors. Plus, certain types of insulation can assist in sound control. That's why you should partner with Kinzler Construction Services to install insulation in your new home. We know you have lots of important decisions to make in the building process, so we'll make this quick. We've put together a series of short videos explaining your options in various parts of your new home. Many homeowners today find their house cold and drafty every winter. Their utility bills are sky high because their furnace or air conditioner is constantly running, wasting energy, wasting money, and decreasing comfort. We don't want this to happen to you. Insulation is an important item to invest in now, during construction, because it's much more difficult and expensive to upgrade down the road after your home is finished. Keep that in mind when you're deciding on other items like countertops and flooring, which can more easily be replaced later. Please take a look. Then bring us your questions and let's have a discussion. We know you'll be glad you did.